Ready? Here's how I jumped into a cup of coffee. First, I filmed myself placing down the mug and jumping into a cannonball. With the camera still rolling, I needed to get a shot of the coffee splashing. I decided to drop a ring in it since it's a small but heavy enough object to cause a good splash. Getting a good one took several tries and many cleanups. I masked out the mug with the splash and then added in me jumping and put an empty background behind it. Then, to hide the cut from the original footage to the pieces that I just put together, I created a fake focus pull from the background to the mug in the foreground by adjusting the blur and size of each. To pop up out of the coffee, I filmed a shot of me swimming in a pool with the same black t-shirt on. Because the water was so blue, it was actually really easy to adjust the color of the water to match the coffee. I feathered it out so the waves would blend into the coffee more. Then I duplicated the layer and used the rotoscope tool to mask out clean edges of myself. After that, I added a fake reflection and some sound effects for the splash, and voila! That's how I took a morning dip in my coffee.